Everyone on YouTube is telling you to start dropshipping or build an AI agency right now. But the actual fastest way to make your first $1,000 online in 2026 is trading. But only if you ignore 90% of what you've been told and follow one simple strategy I'm about to show you. Because if you do it the normal way, you will lose money. Fast. Let me be real with you. Trading has one of the worst reputations online. People think it's gambling. People think it's fake. People think only experts make money. And honestly, they're not completely wrong, because most beginners jump in with random indicators, no strategy, and zero patience. And then they blow their account in 3 days. But what if I told you? You don't need to be an expert, you just need one repeatable setup. In this video, I'm going to break down the exact strategy, why it works in 2026, and how you can realistically aim for your first $1,000. No fake Lambos, no hype, just logic. Let's compare. Dropshipping. You need ads, product research, a website, and money up front. Freelancing. You need skills, clients, and time to build trust. AI agency. Overcrowded. Everyone is doing it. But trading. You only need a phone, internet, and a small amount of capital. And here's the biggest advantage. You can get results fast. Not guaranteed, but possible. That's why it's the fastest path to your first $1,000, if done correctly. Now, here's where 99% of people fail. They try to predict the market. They use 10 different indicators. They trade every hour, and that is the fastest way to lose money. The market doesn't reward activity, it rewards discipline. So instead of doing more, we do less. One setup, one time frame, one rule, that's it. This is called the break and retest strategy. Simple concept. The market moves in levels. First, you identify a strong support or resistance zone, then you wait for price to break that level. Then you wait again for price to come back. That's the retest. And only then you enter the trade. No guessing, no chasing. You are reacting, not predicting. Imagine this, price is stuck below a resistance level. It tries to go up again and again, but fails. Then suddenly, it breaks above. Most beginners enter immediately, but that's the mistake. Smart traders wait. If the price comes back, touches that same level, and holds, that's your entry. Because that level has now flipped. Resistance becomes support, and that's where the real move usually starts. Now, listen carefully, because this part is more important than the strategy. Risk management. Never risk more than 1 to 2% per trade. If you have $100, you risk $1 or $2. It sounds small, but it keeps you in the game. Because trading is not about one big win. It's about surviving long enough to win consistently, and always set a stop loss. No exceptions. Now, let's be realistic. You are not going to turn $100 into $1,000 overnight. That's not how this works. But you can grow slowly, stay consistent, and build momentum. Start with $100, follow your rules, compound your profits. Or later, you can try a prop firm challenge to access bigger capital, but only after practice. Because without discipline, more money just means bigger losses. Here's the truth no one tells you. Trading is simple, but not easy. You will lose trades, you will doubt yourself, you will feel like quitting. But the difference between people who make money and people who don't is consistency. Not intelligence, not luck. Consistency. If you want to make your first $1,000 online, stop chasing trends. Pick one strategy, master it, stay disciplined. And if you want, I can break this down step by step in the next video and even show real trades. Just comment part 2, and I'll see you there.